Hi everyone, we will be discussing the shortest way to calculate the arbitrage profit in case of the forex. We take a question in which we have USD in our hand, which is 100 lakhs, and the rates are given $1 equals to 48.30 rupees, and 1 GBP equals to 77.52 rupees, and 1 GBP equals to 1.6231 USD. So we need to check whether there exists any arbitrage, and if so, what is the arbitrage profit. So what do you mean by arbitrage? Arbitrage is the riskless profit, which is riskless profit. So it means that as we are having the USD, ultimately after investing and withdrawing, we need to have USD only. So we'll be taking as we are having the rupee per dollar directly, $1 equals to 48.30 rupees. With the intermarket rates, we'll be calculating the rupee per dollar from other markets also, like 1 GBP equals to 77.52 rupees. Then also in another market, 1 GBP equals to 1.1231 USD. As we need rupee per USD rate, we are having here rupee per GBP, and we are having here dollar per GBP. To get rupee per dollar, we need to convert this into 1 by dollar by GBP, so that it will be converted to GBP by dollar. So 1 by 1.6231, that equals to divided 1.6231, which is 61.61, 0.6161 GBP per dollar. So rupee per USD rate, which is to be calculated, equals to rupee per GBP into GBP per USD, that equals to 77.52 into 0.6161. 77.52 into 0.6161, which gives rise to 47.76 rupees per dollar. As this rate and this rate doesn't match, there exists an arbitrage. Also, it is very easy to calculate the arbitrage gain. Simply, as we are having the USD, purchase in a market in which this USD is at premium. Here, if we purchase USD in rupees, we will be getting 4830 lakhs of rupees. But when we invest in GDP in this market, we will be getting only 47.76. So first we need to convert the USD to rupees, and then rupees to GBP, and then GBP to USD. Ultimately, we will be having the USD only. It will be easiest process to calculate the arbitrage profits. See clearly that we are having the 100 lakhs USD. We will be converting to rupees, which amounts to rupees 4830 lakhs rupees, and then we will be converting this 4830 lakhs 4,830 lakhs into GBP. What's the GBP rate? 77.52. So 4830 divided by 77.52, which amounts to GBP 62.3065 GBP in lakhs. And later we will be converting this into USD. What is the rate of USD? You can clearly see that GBP rate is 1.6231 into 1.6231. So ultimately we will be getting 10. So we'll be getting 101.12968, which approximates to 101.13. We have started at 100 lakhs, and ultimately we converted this into 101.13. So ultimately the profit is 1.13. This is the arbitrage profit. Hope so you like this video.